Okay, so 16th of April, here I am, ready to update you guys on the next part of my up and coming journey in rebuilding everything I want to do by myself. So, first off, please don't shoot me. I know I promised you guys a cooking show by next week. However, I just ordered my stuff off of Takealot and the delivery date is only by the 2nd of May. But let me show you what I bought. So first screenshot, as you can see, this is what I paid for each item. First off is a portable cell phone video kit. This is to create my own voiceovers and whatever for the cooking show. An outdoor gazebo, as it will be an outdoor cooking show. Of course, a ring light. Who can do a ring light without a Who can do a cooking show without a ring light? My previous one broke. And then a 2-burner gas stove, which is what the first slide. Of course, you saw the 2-plate burner on the previous screenshot. And then I got myself another portable clothes because currently we are pushing 3 people's clothes into one closet, which is quite damaging to the closet. A fold-up table for the outdoors, and a new pot set, which I personally think this cookware was a bargain, as it is a 13-piece for only 278 Rand. I cannot say how much I do appreciate the 2 people who made this purchase possible for me so that I can start my cooking show. I really do appreciate it. I'm not going to name names as per their request, but I do want to say thank you. Secondly, my link tree is in my bio with my backup buddy for my future plans. As far as I've figured out, some people prefer not to use BackaBuddy and prefer to help directly. For those people, my FNB is in my bio. I have a new link in my bio for Net Florist. Of course, we all know Mother's Day is quickly approaching, so you're able to purchase there for Mother's Day. As well as any other time of the year, the link is available, and as you order, I get commission, and of course, as you know, all these funds will be going to my future plans. Thank you.